Welcome to our family at Mertz Plumbing. Our crew makes sure to stay certified and up to date on all the newest lining technology. Trenchless sewer replacement. Why dig when you can have your sewer replaced in less than a day without damaging your beautiful yard? The liner and pull tape is measured and cut to proper lengths. The cow tube is then cut to its proper length. We have the liner attached to a vacuum to suck all the air out of the line so that the resin can evenly distribute through the liner. Matt and his crew clean around the sewer so that there is enough room to install the liner. The area they dug was 5 foot by 5 foot squared. Matt and his crew then shoot the liner through the sewer line and let it set. Matt cameras the line to ensure that the liner adhered perfectly. The piping is installed and ready for inspection from the Borough and Allegheny County Health Department. Matt and his crew re-cement the floor and clean up. This is what the before and after sewer photos look like. Follow us on Twitter.